Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, Handy Andy on Demand. And today we're over in Milton and we're looking at some rotted windows for a customer. And these are beautiful houses out here. They're really well built. But what happens with the painters, and you'll see this in a lot of our videos, there's a little strip right here called a mullion that holds the window, the glass inside the sash. And so I think he's pretty fortunate that the frame hasn't rotted itself, because that's an expensive repair. But we do these mullions at least once a day somewhere around Atlanta. It's the same thing on this upper sash. It's just a little strip that's rotted across. My brother will probably come out and do this one just to make sure there's no rot in the sash itself, but I don't see any. He's got a lot of blistering paint on the house that he may want us to correct. And then over here on these windows here, we just kind of walked around the house while we're here. It's hard to see it from the ground, but these mullions up here, the bottom mullions on both of those windows right there are rotted the same as the garage. And then he's just got one little piece of trim on the corner right here. This dog ear. Dog ear is that little triangle right up there, right here. And it's hard to see it in this video with the light on it. See all the wrinkling in it? It just lets you know it's rotted. So other than that, that's all he has to do on this house. Great house. My brother and myself, a team of 30, we're all over Atlanta doing this stuff. Anything from rotted wood to electrical to plumbing, roof repairs, you name it, we do it. Bathroom remodels, do a ton of bathroom remodels this time of year. But this kind of carpentry stuff is our bread and butter, and it's really hard to find people to do the little stuff like this. You can reach us in the office at 770-912-2829. See you at the next house. Bye for now.